Welcome to the official Hunt's Photo and Video YouTube channel. Here you can find all of our product videos, first look and quick look videos, educational material, guest spots, and more. For those of you who don't know, Hunt's Photo happens to be the oldest camera store still operational in the United States. Yes, you heard that right. With 8 store locations spread around New England, we offer a wide variety of services like camera sales, rentals, custom printing, framing and restoration, photo and video education, passport photos, film processing and scanning, and more. Subscribe to the channel for more Hunt's content, and we hope to see you soon.